Hey, welcome back. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to talk about emails and email funnels. So I really didn't put a lot of this in the course because I don't want you to think that you have to buy a fancy schmancy funnel system, even though I have one, I will tell you, to be able to communicate with prospective patients and patients after they've joined you for care. But clearly it automates it and it makes it easy. So I use a program called Infusionsoft, but it's expensive. It's around $250 a month. So unless you really need something that's big and has a lot of capabilities to it, it might not be worth that monthly fee for you. MailChimp is a great option and it has a free membership with a limited number of contacts in your list, but that's great to get you started, and then you can bump it up to the paid program if you'd like. So the way that I offer the emails to people is I want to get qualified and pre-qualified prospective patients into my email list. Once I have them in my email list, then I want to send them emails that inspire them. You know what I always say, educate, inspire, and empower. So I don't send them 1,000 emails. I have a 4 email sequence, and you'll see the copy below that I use. And it basically is inspiring people to want to come in and have their brain map done. Then it's teaching them that neurofeedback exists and the ideas behind how it works. Then it talks about what a neurofeedback session is like because it's so easy and it's passive. A person doesn't have to do anything. And a lot of patients have been to therapies that they have to work hard at and don't work. So I talk about the science a little bit in those emails as well. So you can use this copy to help move people through a funnel system. And you can either buy a software online program platform that does it for you, or you can manually send the emails also. And we do manually send emails to people that are personalized from me. My staff does it, but I've written it, and sometimes I do it if it's trickier cases and I really want to build a relationship with that person so it really sounds like me and has my voice. There's a template for that below also. So you can do it manually also. We do it within my office sometimes. Okay, so that's how we use emails, but then you will have a monthly email that I am providing for you that you can send to your patients. So sometimes it's a success story, other times it's a brain tip, and people like it, and it's helping them think about their brain performance and how that plays out and is responsible for their behaviors of their mind and body. So it keeps people thinking about the brain and wanting to regulate their brain. The success stories are awesome too because they help people know that people have come into my office and have joined us for the program and then are actually better at the end. And in this course, you'll see the testimonial form. I use that testimonial form in my progress evaluations with people, and they basically always consent that I can talk about their stories anonymously or using their initials. So this allows me to provide those success stories to people in the community and without violating someone's privacy or their trust. So just so you know, that's how we operate, and that's how I want you to operate too, always in integrity, and you've heard me say that before. Okay, so use your monthly emails to communicate with people in between your launches. So in the launch lesson, you heard me talk about 4 times a year, you're going to launch your seasonal programs. The way this all comes together is when you do your 4 print publications, that's when you're going to send people an email saying, our summer program is beginning and it's $80 off your map. So people who have been in your email list for a while and have been thinking about you and have been getting these cool emails from you that doesn't try to sell them anything will be inspired, if they're still interested, to come in and have their map perform. And it totally works. Now, the most awesome thing about this launch cycle is sometimes people won't come in on that first email that you send about the summer program, but When you keep sending them monthly emails with fun and inspiring content, now you send that launch email about your fall program, and guess what? That person is still interested. You tell them it's $80 off the map again, and now they are ready. So that list will percolate over time of people who are highly qualified and want to come in. At the same time, you're right, the list is going to have attrition of people who do not want to come in. They will unsubscribe if you're using MailChimp, or they'll send you an email saying, please stop sending me emails. And that's fine, because you don't want to keep sending emails to people who just wanted to check out your webinar and they're not interested in coming in at all. But I will tell you, that's low. The attrition is low because they were pretty qualified in the first place. So it works out awesome. Okay, so use your emails in combination with the launch cycle to get highly qualified people in your office so that you can help them change their brains and improve their lives while you're rocking out an awesome practice that you love to be in on a daily basis. Okay, go for it.